everyone. Good evening, everyone. I can get some more energy, Delhi. Good evening, everyone. That's more like it. Let me officially welcome each one of you to the 5th edition of Shows of India Conclave 2025. Let's give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So good to be seeing each one of you in this lovely city, which we often call is the Dil Walo Ki Dilli. So good to be seeing each one of you, a full house. We, of course, plan to get a little more energy and enthusiasm as we move forward. I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar and I'm so thrilled to be a host over the course of the next 2 days. So thank you so much once again for taking out the time and joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, Shows of India Conclave 2025, like many of you who've been with us over the past years, know that this is no ordinary event, right? We managed to get entrepreneurs, thinkers, creators, but the backbone of the event industry all under one roof together to come and celebrate, to have conversations, but most importantly, to also talk about what's next happening in this live event industry. But before I talk to you a little about the Shows of India Conclave 2025, I do want to take a minute to thank those who've managed to make this lovely vision of ours into this beautiful reality that we all see today. So bear with me for a minute. Shows of India Conclave 2025, ladies and gentlemen, is powered by Hyderabad Talkies, co-powered by the Leela Ambience Delhi Convention Hotel and Nesco Events in association with Giant Trust, Motors One, and K Night Gourmet. Could we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once to thank each one of them, because as I said, without them, none of this really would have been possible. A big shout out to the entire team at Event FAQS and of course, Fierce Ventures, who really have curated everything that you see in flesh and blood today. I have to say this before I introduce our first session. What you're going to see over the next 2 days is going to be creativity meeting business, but also a narrative that will shape the future of live events as me and you know it. So I want to get some energy before I introduce our first session. Are we all set, ladies and gentlemen? Yes? Are we all set? Let me try this again. Are we all set, ladies and gentlemen? Lovely. Thank you so much. I have to tell you what we are doing this time around is also very, very special. We're going to honor and celebrate the backbone of the event industry. For the first time, we're going to have the Super Crew Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, these are people who make an event look good for us. They can be production people, technicians, show callers, just about everyone who make us look good. So that happens later in the evening. So do stay with us on that journey as well. But that's enough from me because I will continue to come back to you and talk a little about what we plan to do over the course of 2 days. But let's really begin with our first session, which is very, very aptly themed, ladies and gentlemen. It's called From First Steps to Finish Line, the making of India's running revolution. That's going to really set context of what we plan to do as part of our first session. And as part of this session, ladies and gentlemen, we're in fact going to hear from a leader who has been instrumental in turning fitness into a nationwide passion. It's going to explore a very, very simple idea that grew across the nation, as I said, into a phenomena as me and you know it today. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming our first speaker. Join me in welcoming Vivek Singh, the Joint Managing Director of ProCam International. Let's have a huge round of applause as we welcome him on stage, please. Vivek, so good to have you with us. Welcome. The stage is all yours. We've been waiting to hear from you.
Good evening,